Hey guys, this is just a quick video about a tool that I plan on using. This is an app called Explain Everything, or that's the app I'm using to make this. And I use it a lot when I'm absent, and it's a way for me to record video notes while marking up a document that my students can go through as well. So this is just a PDF that I uploaded really quickly just to show you how the app works, but you can add as many pages as you want, and then there's a toolbar on the screen where I can mark up the document. I can work through some problems. There's a pointer here so I can just point to things and draw attention to certain things that I want them to see. Then I can just move through the document. And this is just a good way to do guided notes when I'm not there, so I can highlight things or circle whatever I want to do. I can communicate to my students with audio, but also mark up a document that they're also looking at. So this is good if you have any sort of guided notes or text that you want to be able to write on as you explain something to students. So I can switch over to the next page of the document, and I can continue going through the notes, and it's super easy. There's lots of fun colors. There are some other things you can do. So you can insert pictures. I'm trying to just show you, obviously this is last second, how easy it is to talk and write at the same time. So I'm doing this on a tablet, and I have a stylus, and it's just very easy. So you can insert pictures, you can insert videos, you can insert a browser and show your students so much all just on this screen. You can also insert a live video of something you want to show them. So let's see if I can. It's been a while since I've done this. So you can insert a live video of you. I've used this to turn the camera around and show my students what I'm looking at on my calculator so that they know what I'm entering if I'm trying to demonstrate it. Yeah, it's super easy. Let me just get out of that though. Okay, so then if I record a video and I'm done and I don't like it, then I can just get rid of it. And then the way I share this with my students is we all have a YouTube channel, and it's actually built into our Gmail accounts. And I didn't realize that until my students told me. But it's super easy. So I actually explain everything directly to YouTube, and as soon as I'm done with the video, when I share it, it exports directly to YouTube, and it's very simple. Okay, if you're interested in this at all over the next few weeks, feel free to reach out, and I can help you get it set up.